Hey, what's up guys, it's Lan here again, your tech guide. Today we are going to be checking another Spigen case for you guys. This is a Rugged Armor Pro. It basically comes with the entire watch band and the casing itself. So here is what it looks like, the package. It is the 45mm, which is the watch 5, which is the Pro. And installation wise, it's pretty much basic. As you can see from the diagram there, you just pretty much put it inside from the bottom and pop it in. All right, so let's open this up and see what it looks like. And there she is. All right, look at that guys. So this is the entire set right here. It is completely made of rubber, and you do have some carbon fiber design right there. I don't know if you guys can see that. And you do have the shock resist name down there, Rugged Armor, and more carbon fiber design. Okay, this is metal and the rest are rubber. Okay, let's put this on. So we have to remove the watch band, the strap, and pretty much just pop this in here. Okay, it is a very tight fit. Just gotta, there you go. And there it's in. Check that out guys, perfect fit. I do have a tempered glass from Spigen as well, and it fits very well. All right, so that's what it looks like. Completely snug in there. It's not gonna fall off, guys. Buttons easy to get to. You do have protection here if you drop it. All your mics or microphone are exposed or open right here, and of course on the top, lots of elevation to protect the screen display if you don't have the tempered glass screen protector. Let's put this on my wrist. So plenty of slots to adjust the sizing of your wrist. And also this buckle here, or this strap thingy here, does have a locking nub right there. So it will lock in place and it's not gonna slide anywhere. All right, check that out guys. Beautiful, beautiful. All right guys, so let's try to remove this and see how easy or difficult it is. So when it comes to charging, that's no problem. You got plenty, or nothing is blocking the port on the back here. You're fully exposed. So if you want to remove it, the same thing, just reverse it, pop it from the back. Okay. Or you can start from the other side first. Okay, this is, I need some more grip. Okay, see, there you go. Just pop it like that. And it should come out easily. Okay, So nothing to it, guys. Just another quick video. If you guys are interested in this product, the link will be down below. And once again, guys, thank you for watching my video. Until then, I will see you guys on the next one.